although team loyalty is a kind of hard thing to justify in the end. You know, I love the Giants, but when you think about it, who are the Giants? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I mean, it's different guys. Every year it's different guys, right? Teams will move from city to city. You're rooting for clothes when you get right down to it.
It's the same outfits.
It's the same. I'm rooting for an outfit. That's what it's come down to. I want my team's clothes to beat the clothes from the other city.
That's not so bad either. There's nothing really wrong with that.
It's laundry. We're rooting for screaming about laundry here. People will, you know, like they'll love a guy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then the guy will get traded. He'll come back on another team. They hate him now.
Yes,
this
that's
is the same human being in a different shirt. Boo, we hate him now. Different shirt.
Now, wait a minute.